Discover Rio in winter. Escape the ordinary. This is more than a trip. It's an adventure. Rio calls you, especially in winter. Warm days, cool nights, and fewer crowds. This is Rio in winter, a city full of life and beauty. Let me guide you. Let's explore Rio together. A journey for the senses. Feel the samba beat. Taste Brazil's food. See famous places. Rio wakes up your senses. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel it. The warm sun, the music, the smell of flowers. This is more than a trip. It's a break for your soul. Icons of wonder, Rio de Janeiro, a city of contrasts, where culture meets nature. Mountains and beaches together, landmarks show its history. We start with two famous icons, Christ the Redeemer and Sugarloaf Mountain. These are more than tourist spots. They show Rio's spirit. They show faith and beauty. Get ready to be amazed. As we go higher, we see great views and have fun. Let's start exploring these wonders. Christ the Redeemer reaches for the sky. Our first stop is high above the city, at the top of Corcovado Mountain. We see Christ the Redeemer, a famous monument. The statue is 125 feet tall. Its arms seem to hug the city. Standing at its base, you feel amazed. The statue is very big. It shows human skill and faith. The view from the top is breathtaking. You can see all of Rio from here. The famous beaches of Copacabana and Ipanema, the green Tijuca forest. It's a view you will remember. Next, we visit Sugarloaf Mountain. It stands 1,299 feet above Guanabara Bay. We'll ride a cable car to the top. The cabins have glass walls for great views. Fly over the rainforest, see hidden beaches, and watch the city below. At the top, enjoy the view. Rio de Janeiro is full of life. The city loves music. Samba is at its heart. Samba is more than music here, it's life. Feel the beat of the drums, hear the cavaquinho, see the bright costumes. Samba is full of energy and joy. You can't help but dance. Every move tells a story of Rio's culture, a story of joy, a story in the city's soul. You hear samba everywhere in Rio. From the busy streets to the fun nightclubs, samba is always there. Go into a bar in the Lapa district. Feel the music around you. Watch couples dance. They move so smoothly. It's amazing to see. Walk the streets during carnival. Feel the energy of the samba schools. Many dancers move together. Their costumes are bright and full of feathers. The music is loud. The energy is high. It's an experience you won't forget. Section 3. Dancing with the City, My Samba Story. The first time I saw samba in Rio, I was amazed. The energy was incredible. The music and dance were full of life. The dancers were so happy. I wanted to try it too. So I took a samba class. It was hard but fun. I enjoyed it a lot. I learned the basic steps. I even did a few moves. Dancing made me feel close to the city and its people. It was a magical time. It's one of my best memories of Rio. Section 4. Beyond the Steps, the Heart of Carnival. Carnival in Rio is a big samba party. The whole city is full of music, dance, and fun. For 5 days and nights, the streets are a huge party. The best part is the Samba School Parade. The city's top samba schools compete. Each school has a theme with floats, costumes, and samba music. But Carnival is more than a parade. It's a time for people to come together and celebrate, to have fun and enjoy life. It's a memory that stays with you long after it's over. The beaches of Rio. Rio is where mountains meet the sea. The culture is lively and fun. The ocean sets the rhythm of life. You must visit the famous beaches. These beaches are like paradise. Relax, have fun, or feel the local spirit. Imagine your toes in the warm sand. Feel the gentle sea breeze. Listen to the waves crashing. Watch the sunset paint the sky. Section 2. Copacabana, where legends meet the sea. Our first stop is Copacabana. This famous beach is 2.5 miles long. Walk on the black and white path. Watch beach volleyball, kids building sandcastles, and capoeira dancers. At night, see the sky change. The sun sets on Sugarloaf Mountain. Section 3. Ipanema, chic beauty and ocean breezes. Now we go to Ipanema. It is famous for its beauty and stylish vibe. Enjoy the calm feel, perfect for sunbathing and feeling the ocean breeze. Ipanema has clean sands, clear waters, and the famous Dos Irmãos mountain. Watch the beautiful Ipanema sunset, loved by both locals and visitors. Tijuca National Park. A green paradise, Rio de Janeiro, city and nature together, tall buildings next to rainforests. Fun and beauty everywhere. Come to Tijuca National Park, a green spot in the city. Section 2. The Heart of the Forest, Waterfalls and Wildlife. Tijuca National Park is full of amazing nature. There are waterfalls, clear streams, and many plants and animals. Walk on trails to see great views. Stand by Cascatina Waterfall and feel the cool mist. Or go to Vista Chinesa for amazing views of the city and mountains. Look for the park's animals. You might see monkeys swinging in the trees, colorful toucans on branches, or a sloth hiding in the leaves. Every step in Tijuca National Park shows you nature's beauty. Section 3. A hike through time, history in the rainforest. Tijuca National Park is a beautiful place with a lot of history. As we walk, we find old ruins hidden in the forest. We see the remains of old coffee farms covered in moss and vines. We also find old mills and aqueducts, telling stories of the past. There are old railway tracks now covered in plants, showing how the park has changed. Each old thing we find makes our hike more interesting, connecting us to the park's history. Section 4. Finding Serenity, a moment of reflection. As we walk deeper into Tijuca National Park, we feel calm. The city's noise is far away, replaced by nature's sounds. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and breathe in the fresh air. Listen to the birds and leaves, calming your mind. Tijuca National Park is more than a forest. It's a peaceful place. It's a place to escape the city, enjoy nature, and find peace. Enjoy Rio's culinary delights. Rio de Janeiro is a city full of life. The sights are amazing, the sounds are lively, and the food? It's a real treat. Rio's food is a mix of many flavors, a blend of African, European, and native influences. From tasty stews to sweet treats, there's something for everyone. Enjoy fresh seafood, grilled meats, and exotic fruits full of flavor. Each bite is special. It tells the story of Rio's food history, a story you'll remember long after your trip. From street food to gourmet delights, Rio's food is as varied as its scenery. You can find tasty food everywhere, from street vendors to fancy restaurants. Start your day with pão de queijo. These cheese bread rolls are a favorite in Rio. Enjoy them with strong Brazilian coffee. For lunch, try a pastel. These fried pastries have fillings like meat, cheese, or shrimp. In the evening, try Rio's fine dining. Enjoy fresh seafood at a beach restaurant, or have traditional Brazilian food at a cozy bistro. Rio has something for every food lover. My feijoada experience. You must try feijoada in Rio. It's a black bean stew with meats. It's Brazil's national dish. I remember my first time trying it. I was at a small restaurant in Santa Teresa. The smell was amazing. Spices, smoked meats, and black beans filled the air. The dish looked great. It came with rice, farofa, and orange slices. The flavors were amazing, savory, smoky, and a bit sweet. It was a true taste of Rio, an experience I'll never forget. Section 4. Sweet sensations and tropical flavors. You must try the sweet treats in Rio. From brigadeiros to quindam, there are many tasty options. Brigadeiros are chocolate fudge balls that melt in your mouth. Quindam is a creamy coconut custard. Beijinho is a chewy coconut truffle. Rio also has lots of fresh fruits. Try juicy mangoes and sweet pineapples. Enjoy them fresh in a smoothie or as juice. Rio's Embrace, a tapestry of memories. As our trip in Rio ends, we have many memories. The sun on our skin, the beat of samba in our hearts, wonder under Christ the Redeemer. Section 2. Until next time, Rio. Rio de Janeiro, we love you. You are full of life where nature and city meet and every place is an adventure. You are warm and joyful with a spirit we can't resist. You taught us to love life and enjoy every moment. As we say goodbye, we take a piece of Rio with us, in our steps, in our smiles, and in our memories forever. Section 3. Your winter escape awaits. So why wait? Escape the cold this winter. See the beauty of Rio de Janeiro. Dance to samba music, taste Brazilian food, and enjoy the city. Whether you want adventure, relaxation, or a new culture, Rio has it all. Pack your bags, grab your sunglasses, and get ready for the best winter trip. Rio de Janeiro is waiting.